Hey guys, so today we're making this jasmine iced tea. So what I'm going to do is I'm adding sugar on top of my grapefruit and lemon slices, and we're going to creme brulee this. Into my saucepan, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of agave. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water, and we're going to give that a mix. And then I'm going to add a handful of mint and a lemon slice. And we're going to give that a good stir, and then we're going to let that come to a boil. Once that's boiled, we're going to remove the mint and let this cool. To our glass, I've added ice, and then I'm also adding my grapefruit and lemon slices to my pitcher. I'm going to add 1.5 cup of whiskey. And then I'm going to fill the rest of that to the neck of my pitcher with my iced tea that I've cooled. And then we're going to add that simple syrup in there that we boiled. Give that a good stir. And then make it fancy. Add your extra lemon slices, some mint, and there you have it, a boozy jasmine iced tea.